We are at about 9,000 feet outside of a small mountain town called Ophir, Colorado, and about 10 minutes outside of Telluride, Colorado. This was a good fit for me in life. I didn't figure it out until later in life, but you know, they say everything happens for a reason. And now here I am. You know, I probably have a majority market share of most of log home restoration in Western Colorado, and probably to some degree, Southeast Utah. And it's just because we're passionate about what we do. We love what we do here. The guys are inspired. I try to keep them inspired. This is fun for us. We love not having cell phone service. I mean, look at these locations, man. Like, this is just, there's nothing like this on earth. This is one of the coolest gigs ever. This is my office every day. This is where we're at, and almost always in a different location. So this is it, man. This is what I do. This is what I'm passionate about. And this particular client asked us to do basically to refinish this home. It just, as you can see from over there and some different places on the home right now, it just had an older finish on it. And probably, well, if I had to guess, 15, 20 years old. So it was time to kind of bring this log cabin back to life.
I am a rugged navigator, and I pave my way and I cut through every layer.
What we're offering the client is consistency and confidence, right? It's the consistency that we're just repeating the same process over and over again that we know works. And that's what I'm bringing into your house. That's what people are paying me for, to show up and bring a consistent level of quality to every job. And that's, you know, that's one of those other things I'm always beating into my guys' heads. And again, you know, they get it. So, and all we've done so far is tape and prep the home, windows, hardware, and we've removed, as you can see, the old, much like on this up right here, this old darker finish. And basically what I like to call is taking the logs back to a workable condition, or taking them back to zero, right? We're gonna treat these with a pre-staining agent, a primer if you will, and then we're gonna restain this entire home a different shade of brown, more of a neutral brown than this dark brown that's on the home. By this time next week, we'll have a coat of stain on this entire home. But you know, these walls, they just turned out amazing. Sometimes when logs are too far gone and too damaged, it takes a little more work to kind of bring them back to life. These did great with the blasters. My guys did an absolute great job of blasting. They've got their pressures dialed in, they got their technique dialed in, and they were able to take this finish off this home with minimal amount of damage to the logs, which is absolutely ideal. It's perfect. And then as you can see, there is like a shot of the old finish compared to what it looks like after it's been surface stripped.
I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further. I'm gonna run a long way, run a little further.
I never grew up thinking I was gonna be the log home guy. But then when I saw the opening and I thought, man, I really do like this, and I started to take it seriously and grow with it, it was like, oh man, this is absolutely the best fit for me, you know? And my only regret is that I haven't done it. I didn't start doing it earlier in life.
Gonna run, run, gonna run, run, run all the way.